Welcome to 2020 new batch of engineering students. Many students are raising a fundamental question. What is the difference between computer science branch, IT, information technology, and the newly introduced branches like artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science? Let me make a humble attempt to differentiate all these four branches. Before we dwell deep into this, let me share a parallel example. As you all aware that identical twins do not have identical fingerprints though their DNA is almost identical. The ultimate shape of fingerprints is believed to be influenced by environmental factors during the pregnancy. Nutrition, blood pressure, position in the womb, and the growth rate of the fingers at the end of the first trimester will make all the difference. Similarly, these four branches are from the same family with the same DNA. The only difference is in their fingerprints. Let us start with computer science, also popularly known as CSE. CSE is involved in many aspects of computing. In simple terms, it helps in writing a software to power the computers. CSE students study about design, implementation, and management of information systems of both software and hardware processes. They need to understand algorithms, data structures, architecture, artificial intelligence and robotics, database and information retrieval, human-computer communication, numerical and symbolic computation, operating systems, programming languages, and software methodology and engineering. Now let us understand Information Technology branch, popularly known as IT. IT deals with the software to store, to protect, to transmit, and securely retrieve the data. IT deals with installation, development and implementation of computer systems and applications to designing a complex computer networks and information databases. Students learn data structures and algorithms, microprocessors and interfacing, computer communication and networking, database systems, internet technologies and applications, and software engineering. Now let us understand the newly introduced artificial intelligence and machine learning and data science branches. These two branches are introduced recently based on the market demand. However, they share the same DNA of CSE and IT. Now let us understand the artificial intelligence and machine learning, popularly known as AAML branch. AAML is a combination of computer science, natural language processing, mathematics and statistics, psychology, neuroscience, and data science. The ultimate goal of this particular branch is to make machines smart, machine intelligent, and machine intuitive. Now let us understand the fourth branch, which is called as a data science, popularly known as DS. DS deals with organizing and analyzing massive amounts of data and make decisions out of it. Effective data scientists are able to identify the relevant questions, collect the data from multitude of different data sources, organize that information, translate the results into the solutions, and communicate their findings in a way that positively affect the business decisions. Data science is a combination of statistics, mathematics, programming, problem solving, machine learning, and domain understanding. In all these four branches, the common thread is programming. Today, as we are talking in 2020, every programmer must possess strong programming knowledge in Python and JavaScript with high intensity, and Java and C++ with a desired intensity. Having said that, no branch is superior or inferior. All provide the same growth opportunities. Based on the individual passion and qualities, one should select the branch, but not based on what your friend or neighbor suggested. In nutshell, if one is passionate about increasing the machine efficiency, connecting the machines, efficient algorithms, and computing power, choose CSE branch. If one is passionate about data protection, security, networking, database management, IT infrastructure management, utility application development, then choose IT. If one is passionate about making machines intelligent, neural networks, natural language processing, deep learning, choose AI ML branch. If one is passionate about making data-driven business decisions, developing data-driven business solutions, choose data science branch. I hope it is clear to you. Wish you all the best and become a powerful programmer and great asset to the nation. Signing off, Dr. Ravi Sarpalli.